Hello, my dear student. Welcome to Russian Language Lab with Vita. I'm your Russian language coach, Vita. Today, let's practice writing the Russian cursive letter E. Please watch carefully. This is the uppercase letter E. This is the lowercase letter E. This is our transcription. Let's write them together. This is the uppercase letter E. This is the lowercase letter E. Looks the same, but it is smaller. Let's write both of them together. Now take a piece of paper and try writing the cursive letter E by yourself. Write in the comments if you enjoyed this video and feel free to share your thoughts or questions below. You can also share this video with your friends who want to learn Russian cursive. Thank you for learning with me and see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!